Hello, everyone. This is our next video. So, today I want to talk about some research that I have made personally. This is a personal research and it is about AI assisted neuroregenerative strategies for an advanced ischemic stroke recovery. So, as some of you who has watched my channel know, I have posted a video about advanced ischemic stroke. So today, I want to talk about deep into it. So let's wrap it up together. Uh, so, uh, Before we start, I would really appreciate if you like, subscribe, share this video to everyone you know. Okay. AI assisted neuroregenerative strategies for advanced ischemic stroke recovery. Let's go to the pre introduction. Advanced ischemic stroke remains one of the leading causes of long-term neurological disability worldwide. While acute interventions such as thrombolytic therapy and mechanical thrombectomy have improved outcomes for selected patients, many individuals continue to experience persistent motor, sensory, cognitive, and speech impairments. Current treatments approach primarily focus on limiting damage and maximizing rehabilitation rather than restoring lost neural tissue. Recent advances in regenerative neuroscience, artificial intelligence, stem cell biology, neuroplasticity research, brain computer interfaces, and tissue engineering have generated growing interest in strategies aimed at enhancing neural repair and functional recovery. So, the paper that I am reading and that I am describing to you uh, reviews current knowledge regarding neuroregenerative approaches for advanced ischemic stroke and explores how artificial intelligence may assist in optimizing recovery pathways. Although complete regeneration of damaged brain tissue remain beyond current clinical capabilities, emerging technologies may significantly improve neurological outcomes and quality of life for stroke survivors. Introduction. A stroke represents a major global health challenge and is among the most common causes of adult disability. Ischemic stroke, which accounts for the majority of stroke cases, occurs when the blood flow to the part of the brain becomes obstructed, resulting in oxygen deprivation and tissue injury. In severe or advanced cases, extensive neuronal loss and disruption of neural networks may lead to profound and often permanent impairment. Historically, severe stroke related brain damage was considered largely irreversible. However, advances in neuroscience have revealed that the adult brain possesses a remarkable capacity for adaptation. Through neuroplasticity, surviving neural circuits can reorganize and partially compensate for damaged regions. These discoveries have transformed scientific perspectives on stroke recovery and inspired investigations into therapies designed to enhance the brain's intrinsic repair mechanisms. The central question guiding modern regenerative neuroscience is not whether damaged brain tissue can be perfectly restored, but whether emerging technologies can meaningfully improve neural repair and functional recovery. So, what the description that I'm providing examines several promising approaches and evaluates their potential role in future stroke treatment strategies. Okay, let's continue. Pathophysiology of advanced ischemic stroke. When cerebral blood flow is interrupted, neurons rapidly experience energy failure due to reduced oxygen and glucose availability. This initiates a cascade of pathological events, including excitotoxicity, oxidative stress, inflammation, mitochondrial dysfunction, and cell death. The area experiencing the most severe reduction in blood supply forms the infarct core, where tissue damage is generally irreversible. Surrounding this region lies the ischemic penumbra, a zone of comprised but potentially salvageable tissue. Early intervention aims to preserve the penumbra and minimize permanent injury. In advanced ischemic stroke, extensive damage extends beyond individual neurons. Synaptic connections supporting glial cell, vascular structures, and entire neural networks may be disrupted because brain functions emerge from a highly interconnected system. Recovery depends not only on cellular survival but also on restoration of communication between distributed neural circuits. Neuroplasticity and functional recovery. Neuroplasticity serves as the biological foundation of stroke recovery. It refers to the brain's ability to reorganize its structure and function in response to experience, learning, and injury. Following stroke, surviving neurons may strengthen existing connection, establish new synaptic pathways, and recruit neighboring cortical regions to support impaired function. Functional neuroimaging studies have demonstrated substantial cortical reorganization during rehabilitation, particularly within motor and language network. However, spontaneous neuroplasticity is often insufficient to fully restore complex functions after severe injury. Recovery may plateau, dispute, despite intensive rehabilitation, highlighting the need for interventions capable of enhancing adaptive neural remodeling. Modern research increasingly focuses on methods that amplify neuroplastic processes while guiding them toward meaningful functional restoration. Okay, uh, let's continue to the next one. Stem cell based neuroregenerative approaches. Stem cell therapy has emerged as one of the most actively investigated areas of regenerative medicine. Rather than directly replacing large volumes of lost brain tissue, current evidence suggests that many stem cell therapies exert their effects through supportive biological mechanisms. Neural stem cells. Neural stem cells possess the capacity to generate neurons and glial cells. Experimental studies indicate that these cells may promote neural repair through secretion of neurotrophic factors, modulation of inflammation, and support of endogenous regenerative processes. Mesenchymal stem cells. Mesenchymal stem cells, commonly derived from bone marrow or adipose tissue, have demonstrated promising safety profiles in early clinical studies. These cells appear capable of releasing signaling molecules that encourage tissue repair, angiogenesis, and functional recovery. Induced pluripotent stem cells. Induced pluripotent stem cells provide an opportunity to generate patient specific cellular therapies. By reprogramming adult cells into pluripotent state, researchers may eventually develop personalized regenerative interventions while reducing risks associated with immune rejection. Although encouraging stem cell therapies remain under investigation, Significant challenges include long-term safety, controlled differentiation, optimal delivery methods, and successful integration within existing neural networks. Neurotrophic factors and molecular repair. The brain's regenerative capacity is influenced by a complex network of signaling molecules that regulate neuronal survival, growth, and plasticity. Brain derived neurotrophic factor, nerve growth factor, and vascular endothelial growth factor have attracted considerable attention because of their roles in neural maintenance. Okay, let's continue. Maintenance and recovery. These molecules may support synaptic remodeling, neurogenesis, angiogenesis, and adaptive plasticity. Future therapies may utilize advanced delivery systems capable of releasing regenerative molecules directly into injured brain regions. Such approaches could create favorable microenvironments that support recovery and enhance the effectiveness of rehabilitation. Brain computer interfaces and neurotechnology. Brain computer interfaces represent a rapidly developing field at the intersection of neuroscience, engineering, and medicine. These systems establish communication pathways between neural activity and external devices. For individuals with severe stroke related disability, brain computer interfaces may facilitate motor recovery by translating neural signals into commands that control robotic devices, prosthetic systems, or rehabilitation technologies. Repeated engagement of neural circuits may promote adaptive plasticity and strengthen residual functional networks. Emerging systems increasingly incorporate machine learning algorithms capable of adapting to individual neural patterns. Such personalization may improve performance and support for more effective rehabilitation outcomes. Although current technologies remain in developmental stages, they demonstrate how neurotechnology may contribute to future recovery strategies. Artificial intelligence in stroke rehabilitation. Artificial intelligence, or AI, has the potential to transform stroke recovery by enabling highly personalized rehabilitation programs. Machine learning systems can analyze large data sets containing clinical information, neuroimaging findings, movement patterns, and recovery trajectories. This analysis may help clinicians predict outcomes, identify optimal treatment pathways, and tailor interventions to individual patients. AI assisted rehabilitation platforms may also monitor patient performance in real time, adjusting exercise intensity and therapeutic goals according to progress. Robotic rehabilitation system integrated with artificial intelligence may provide consistent adaptive training and complements traditional therapy. Let's continue. More importantly, artificial intelligence should be viewed as a tool that supports clinical decision making rather than replacing healthcare professionals. The most effective future systems will likely contribute uh, will likely combine technological precision with expert human oversight. Future directions. Future progress in stroke recovery will likely depend on integration rather than reliance on a single therapeutic approach. A comprehensive neuroregenerative framework may combine 1. Early neuroprotection, 2. Stem cell based interventions, 3. Molecular regenerative therapies, 4. Personalized rehabilitation, 5. Artificial intelligence assisted monitoring, 6. Brain computer interfaces, 7. advanced neuroimaging technologies. Such a multimodal strategy would aim to preserve surviving tissue, enhance plasticity, support neural repair, and maximize functional recovery. Nevertheless, important scientific challenges remain. Researchers must establish long term safety, demonstrate clinical effectiveness, address ethical considerations, and ensure equitable access to emerging therapies. Conclusion: advanced ischemic stroke continues to present one of the most significant challenges in neurological medicine. Although complete regeneration of damaged brain tissue remain beyond current clinical capabilities, substantial progress has been made in understanding the mechanism underlying neural repair and recovery. Stem cell therapies, neurotrophic factors, brain computer interfaces, artificial intelligence, and advanced rehabilitation strategies collectively represent promising avenues for future investigation. Rather than pursuing a simplistic notion of a cure, modern neuroscience increasingly focuses on enhancing the brain's capacity for adaptation, repair, and functional restoration. As regenerative medicine and artificial intelligence continue to evolve, the prospect of significantly improving outcomes for individuals affected by advanced ischemic stroke becomes increasingly realistic. Continued interdisciplinary research may ultimately reshape the future of stroke rehabilitation and expand the boundaries of neurological recovery. Okay, so this is all about the research that I have personally done, and this is all the description that I can provide. So, for everyone who has watched this video, thank you for watching this video, and thank you for staying this long for watching this and to be inspired to share it to others and to make others feel inspired too. So, thank you for watching and follow for more videos in this channel. Thank you.